All right, we are back. The cabin still stands. It had a little leak in one little corner of the roof, but we bought some caulking. We're gonna go up there and fix it. So she still stands good. Got extra helper here. We bought some stairs that we're gonna set up today. We're gonna do the windows probably tomorrow. Here's a quick tour. Pretty dark in there, but it leaked right in the back. Are you a carpenter?
Clearly not.
So eventually the plan is to put a deck here that spans the whole cabin, goes pretty far out. But that's going to be a little bit down the road. So right now we're just going to put in some stairs. We're using some screws to do it for now. We know nails would be better for this, but it's going to be somewhat temporary. And we got 3 of these stringers, so it should be fine. Did it go in crooked?
Crooked as hell.
Just put it in the front hole.
All right, step.
All right.
Hey, is this step 1?
Step 1.
You get it? Here.
Moment of truth. Get this on video so I can file my claim. Shouldn't we do the heaviest guy?
What are you trying to say, bro?
No, I hope you fall.
I'm gonna jump.
It's sturdy.
I'm gonna jump.
Don't jump. It's not on there yet. Oh my God. Okay.
I'm gonna jump off.
So, now how do you secure these to this?
You don't. They're free floating. With a voice,
Oh, I have the microphone, yeah.
just so you know that use the little thing. I don't know if a lot of people know. Little hole thing here. Cut the spout, and then you have to puncture it. That's what this is for, right?
Okay.
Little puncture thing.
Our fans are a little further ahead.
Are they?
I think
I thought
so.
it was called Idiots Outdoors. I figured they know as much as I do, and I didn't learn about this till yesterday.
Hey, is it possible it's along that? Where do you think it leaked?
We don't know. That's the problem. It could have leaked over there, and then because of the wood, it could have just kind of rolled down. So we're gonna have to.
Are we only doing the edge?
Yeah, let me bring the broom. No, we're doing every nail.
All the way around the whole thing? All right, so basically we had a little leak inside. So right now we're up on the roof, and we're just gonna go around and put a little dabble-do-ya on the heads of these screws in case there's one that's leaking.
Yeah.
Do you see a hole anywhere
No, that's what I was asking.
where we missed the screw? Oh yeah, I do.
Where?
Right here.
Yep, there you go. Look, here. Jeff, there's actually holes on the rooftop
We missed 2.
where there's no screws.
So we don't need to do the waste of our time. No, wait.
There's 3.
We could have just put the screws in.
Do you want to do that?
Oh, there's 3 holes right over where the problem is.
you want to do that?
No, we don't have to. I mean, we already covered the whole. Yeah, don't waste your time. Don't do what you're doing.
Don't do what I'm doing?
I mean, you can clean that up now, I guess, like that. I remember, I think Nate was up here, and I was like, hey, do these. And those are the ones he did.
Are you sure?
Yep.
All right, so this is our cabin. We did staining. We put Flex Seal on the bottom piece of wood there. I don't know how well that'll hold up, but it's an experiment. We'll see how it goes. We got 3 windows installed, all 4x4, and trimmed out the corners of the cabin and all the windows around. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty good. There's some finished touches that we still need to do kind of around the top edges. We did do a lot of spray foam inside to close up a lot of the gaps, but the interior is not finished yet, so that'll be something we're going to work on in future episodes for the cabin.